But now when you do a lock step, imagine like this inner thighs muscles inviting this leg into the cross without changing its position. So you just drag it in under, and then without changing position, push off from it using your hip actions. And cha, cha, cha. So you basically, the feel is like you drag it in, leave it in the same position. A little bit hurt, but it looks beautiful, right? So hurt is okay. You're not gonna die from it. And cha, 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 cha. Yes. And also, of course, this is the feet position. They should support our body actions, which is our hip action, rib cage action. And cha, 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 cha. But mainly for, yeah, you can. If you try a couple times, you can. But cha, 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 fix your back leg. Cha, 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 cha. And overall, as you dance,